Hi, this is the Fairphone 4 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. First, we should open the Settings app and then tap the Wallpaper section. Select wallpapers from Live, the Google Photos Wallpaper and Styles section, or just the default wallpapers. You could use also photos from your device gallery. Let's select one from, or let's tap the Wallpaper and Style. And here let's select the wallpapers. Tap here to the left upper corner and select lock screen. Just wait a second. And as you can see, that's so simple. So we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger and tap the wallpaper and style. Click to change wallpaper and by the same way select one from the wallpapers. Tap to set, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.